Welcome aboard the complete restoration of the legendary giant Jack Sparrow ship. Once the pride of the open sea, this magnificent pirate vessel had been abandoned for decades, left to battle relentless storms, crashing waves, and the harsh salt air. The towering masts had collapsed, the wooden hull was cracked and rotting, sails had been torn away, and every deck was covered in moss, seaweed, and debris. Inside, luxurious cabins had become dark and lifeless, while rust and decay had consumed nearly every corner of the ship. Yet beneath the years of destruction remained the spirit of one of the greatest pirate ships ever built. Today, we begin an extraordinary restoration, rebuilding every plank, every sail, and every room to return this legendary vessel to its former glory. Living room. The ship's living room had once been a grand gathering place where the captain and crew planned voyages, celebrated victories, and relaxed after long days at sea. Years of abandonment left the room in complete ruin. The wooden floor had cracked, furniture had collapsed, the ceiling beams had weakened, and layers of dust and salt covered every surface. During restoration, the damaged structure was reinforced with premium hardwood, while new flooring restored the room's strength and beauty. Large pirate-style windows brought breathtaking ocean views back into the space, filling it with natural light. Luxurious leather sofas, handcrafted wooden tables, elegant rugs, antique treasure chests, nautical decorations, and glowing brass lanterns created a warm and inviting atmosphere. A magnificent stone fireplace became the centerpiece, giving the room both comfort and timeless pirate elegance. The restored living room once again became the heart of the legendary ship. Captain's bedroom. The captain's cabin had once been the most luxurious room on the ship, but years of abandonment had reduced it to ruins. Rainwater leaked through broken timbers, furniture had rotted away, and the once polished wooden walls were cracked and faded. The restoration team carefully replaced every damaged plank with premium hardwood, reinforced the structure, and restored the rich wooden finishes. Large pirate-style windows were rebuilt to overlook the ocean, allowing sunlight to fill the room once again. A magnificent carved captain's bed, elegant furniture, antique maps, golden lanterns, nautical decorations, and a handcrafted writing desk completed the transformation. Every detail reflected the strength, prestige, and adventurous spirit of a legendary pirate captain. The restored cabin now stands as the crown jewel of the ship, combining timeless elegance with the fearless character of its famous commander. Kitchen. The ship's kitchen had fallen into severe disrepair after years of neglect. Rusted cooking equipment, broken cabinets, damaged ovens, and smoke-stained walls had turned the once busy galley into an abandoned ruin. During the restoration, the entire kitchen was rebuilt with durable modern steel flooring for strength and easy maintenance, while handcrafted wooden cabinets and exposed timber beams preserved the ship's historic character. Polished countertops, restored brick ovens, and modern cooking equipment were carefully integrated with the classic pirate design. Copper cookware, hanging lanterns, organized storage, and authentic maritime decor completed the transformation. Once forgotten, the galley is now a fully functional and beautifully restored kitchen, ready to prepare meals for every adventure across the open sea. Second bedroom. The second bedroom had suffered years of neglect beneath the harsh sea climate. Broken bunk beds, rotted walls, and worn-out flooring left the cabin unsafe and forgotten. During the restoration, every damaged section was carefully removed. The structure was reinforced, and a durable modern steel deck floor was installed to provide strength and long-lasting protection. Warm timber wall panels, handcrafted pirate-style furniture, soft lantern lighting, and elegant decor brought warmth back to the space. Decorative ropes, treasure chests, and authentic maritime accessories completed the transformation. blending the rugged charm of a pirate ship with the durability and comfort of a modern vessel. Once abandoned and lifeless, this guest cabin is now a beautiful and welcoming retreat for the captain's most trusted crew members. The bathroom had been heavily damaged by constant moisture and years of neglect. Rotting wood, leaking pipes, broken fixtures, and mold covered every surface. The entire room was carefully rebuilt using water-resistant materials while preserving the ship's historic appearance. Elegant wooden finishes, polished brass fixtures, a spacious shower, handcrafted vanity, premium mirrors, and warm ambient lighting transformed the space into a luxurious, private retreat. Combining classic maritime design with modern comfort, the restored bathroom provides a relaxing environment where the captain and crew can refresh after long days sailing across the ocean. Bar. Once the heart of the pirate ship, the bar had fallen into complete ruin. Broken barrels, shattered bottles, collapsed shelves, and rotten furniture covered the room after decades of neglect. The restoration team carefully rebuilt the handcrafted oak bar, adding polished countertops and sturdy wooden shelving. Pirate mugs, antique treasures, rum barrels, and fine bottles were arranged to recreate its historic charm. Warm lanterns cast a cozy glow over solid wooden tables and comfortable seating, while authentic pirate decorations brought the space back to life. The restored bar once again became the ship's gathering place, where pirates could celebrate victories, share legendary tales, and enjoy the true spirit of life at sea. Third bedroom. The third bedroom had been hidden deep inside the ship, where years of moisture and darkness had left it in terrible condition. The ceiling had weakened, the walls had begun to rot, and every piece of furniture was beyond repair. During the restoration, the entire cabin was rebuilt with reinforced structural supports, while a durable modern steel deck floor was installed for superior strength and long-term durability. Warm timber wall panels and elegant wooden ceiling finishes preserved the ship's classic character. Comfortable bedding, handcrafted wardrobes, decorative lanterns, pirate-inspired artwork, and authentic maritime decor completed the transformation. The result is a cozy and luxurious cabin that perfectly blends the timeless charm of a pirate ship with the strength and comfort of a modern vessel, creating a welcoming retreat for long voyages across the sea. From a forgotten wreck to a breathtaking pirate masterpiece, the giant Jack Sparrow ship has been fully restored to its former glory. Every cabin, deck, sail, and wooden plank has been carefully rebuilt, bringing this legendary vessel back to life. Thank you for watching this incredible restoration journey. If you enjoyed the transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing restoration projects. See you in the next adventure.